if it is help for me, if it is work on me, it can work for anybody.
Hi Mele, thank you for being here today. Can you tell us a little bit about yourself, where you're from, your family, and what life looks like for you today?
Hi Mele, my name is Mele Vaisita Kaufusitotai. I'm a Tongan. I came here through volleyball 1999 and I was the captain for the Tongan national volleyball team.
So you came to New Zealand through the Tongan national volleyball team. That is amazing, by the way. How has this shaped you today?
It shapes a lot. In my life, I always have to be up and go, and it's helped me with exercising, keep my figure and stay healthy.
You seem to have so much energy and so positive. What keeps you healthy, active and open to new things?
Since I joined this Wellness Revive, they introduced OXYENERGY, and OXYENERGY help not only in my energy but my health as well.
Yeah, what products would you say helped you?
I would say this one.
Yes, the Milk Thistle, that's your favorite?
The milk, yeah. It helped me with my liver. It gives you energy and keep me full, my stomach, and make me still have good energy to go for the day.
So your keyword is healthy. What does being healthy mean to you?
Healthy means to me is everything, because to me, if I have healthy life, everything will be easy, because it's not only your body but your mind as well, and your soul, like everything within and out.
So what made you join Wellness Revive, and what has it taught you about yourself?
Wellness Revive taught me a lot of things: confidence and independent. Do your own makeup, your own hair, public speaking, exercising, and looking after yourself.
What was your first impression of OXYENERGY, and where does it fit into your daily routine now?
OXYENERGY is the first day that they came, I was like, yes, because I really need something to get some more energy, because I'll be 50 next year, and I really need support with my energy and my health.
Since using OXYENERGY, how have you noticed a difference in your day-to-day?
Oh, as you can see,
amazing!
I am looking amazing, and I got that energy, honestly.
Yes.
I would love to use it all the time. If it is help for me, if it is work on me, it can work for anybody.
So as someone who really cares about family and community, how does looking after your well-being help you support others around you?
Well, if I look after myself by taking these supplements and these products, people will look at me and they can tell the difference. The products will speak for itself.
In one sentence, what does energy from within mean to you?
Being strong and healthy for my family.
Thank you so much for having us today, Nelly. It's so lovely hearing about how passionate you are about your family and your community, and as well as your volleyball and the community around that. I'm so happy that OXYENERGY is able to support you with all your activities as well. So yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mele, for having me here.